What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are staying healthy out there. And I wanted to release this midweek video and challenge you guys with a new photo mission or photo challenge. And this challenge is due this coming Saturday, but don't worry, if you're watching this video a week from now, a month from now, or even a year after I release it, this is still great practice for you as a photographer. And right now, being that we're all stuck, inside and have to maintain our physical distance, it's a really great opportunity to take on a solo project like this. So the challenge this week is going to be light. Now, I want you to wander your house, wander your apartment, wander around, your close area around you, and really look for light. Now, I don't mean, take a picture of a light bulb or, physical light, but take photos of the effects of light. How does light affect everything around you? How does light affect, this can? How does light affect, a knife? What does it look like when, sunlight is hitting something directly? What does it look like when sunlight is bouncing off something and you're getting a nice soft bounce light? I really want you guys to study light and the effects of light. So what I want to see from you guys are 10 photos of light. And again, study the effects of light. Look at things abstractly and see how light works with shadow, and that balance works together to come up with a great image. So by this Saturday, I'd love to see you guys post 5 to 10 images of light on our Discord server, and I'll link that down below in the description. But that's it. I want to see some awesome pictures of light. And remember, as a photographer, you're looking for things out of the ordinary. Really search for that light. Look for things that, the average Joe wouldn't be taking a photo of just with his phone. Now, you can absolutely use your phone for this photo assignment, but remember to stay creative. That's the entire point of this being a challenge. And participating in this challenge will get you one step closer to that 10K giveaway, because I'll be voting for my favorite photo, and we'll do a popular vote for everyone else's favorite photo. And everyone that participates is going to be entered to win in that next 10K photo giveaway. So I look forward to seeing all of your guys' photos of light. And until next time, get out and go shoot.